If you've played Stardew Valley, you've probably heard of salmonberries, but you don't have to go to the secret woods to get them. You can find them here in the Pacific Northwest. Salmonberries ripen in the late spring where I live. They're sort of like raspberries, except they're tartar, waterier, and they have a slight herbaceous taste to them. They ripen to hues of yellow, orange, and red, and I read that the indigenous people of the Pacific Northwest ate salmonberries and parts of the salmonberry bush with salmon. So I decided to forage some salmonberries and try that for myself.
Well, here's my bountiful harvest, or forage, I guess I should say. So here's just a few of the salmonberries that I got, and I just wanted to show you how squishy they are. This is partly why they're not really cultivated and sold in supermarkets or imported or exported anywhere, because they're very delicate berries, even more so than raspberries. This one's a little less ripe, and it's a little sturdier. It's more like a raspberry in sturdiness, but these are like overripe raspberries, but these are just ripe. And this variety of salmonberry, I have gotten other varieties of salmonberry from bushes that really turn a nice, well, the color of this nasturtium, even a darker red. But these, I guess, are just a kind that do not turn dark red. These are just little early blackberries I happened to forage while I was out. They're very, very small. I just picked them because I could. I think I'm just going to eat them now. Tart, because they're early, but very good. And this is some tarragon I picked from my garden. I tried to get just a little bit, but then this piece broke off, so I wound up harvesting all of this. I'll just use this in something else tomorrow. I'm going to make my husband some ravioli, so maybe I'll put that in there. Tarragon goes so well with all kinds of things. It's a great herb. And this is my very first nasturtium that I have ever grown, and it bloomed today. And I thought, well, this is serendipitous. I need to use this in my dish as well. If you have not had nasturtiums, they're a really nice culinary, I mean, they're pretty as well, and I think bees and bugs probably like them too, but they are amazing for culinary applications. If you bite off this little tip on the end, you can suck out the nectar, which is sweet and delicious, and then the flower itself is edible, and the petals have this delightful soft texture to them, and a nice peppery flavor. So great ingredient. And then I just have some salmon and some clarified butter ready to go. I'm going to keep this really simple because I really want to taste the salmonberries. Okay, so first I'm just going to give the salmonberries a rinse. I wanted to show you the salmonberries before I rinsed them because I was worried that they would like disintegrate and fall apart even more after I rinsed them. Here they are. Okay, I'm going to make a little dressing to go with this. Oh good, my camera's focusing. I dropped my camera on my birthday a few days ago. Actually, and I thought it was broken. It was so blurry it wouldn't focus on anything, but it actually kind of fixed itself. I left it off for a few days and then I checked it again and it was mostly better. Maybe some fae sneaked into my apartment in the middle of the night and fixed it. Anyway, I'm adding the juice of a lemon. Lemon and salmon and berries all go well together. A little bit of salt, pinch of black pepper. Again, I'm keeping this incredibly simple because I really want to taste that salmon-salmonberry combination. And squeezer of olive oil. I'm not going to use all this dressing on just my dish. And there, very simple little lemon vinaigrette. I chopped up the tarragon, and also I am an idiot and I forgot that I was going to put some honey into this vinaigrette because honey and salmon go super well together. Right, my ghee, otherwise known as clarified butter, is quite hot. I just did very simple seasonings on the salmon, just salt and a little cayenne pepper. Ooh, that's very hot. Ooh, that's so hot. Yay! It worked! Okay, it has been a while since I've eaten something on camera, but I have never had salmon with salmon berries before, and I'm really excited to finally try it. I've been wanting to try this for years now, ever since I learned about salmon berries. So let's take a bite of salmon and some salmon berries. Oh, that works so well. What a delightful combo. It's definitely partly the dressing. I mean, a honey lemon vinaigrette, you can't go wrong with that in salmon. But yeah, the salmon berries, I really like the combination of the tangy salmon berry with the salmon. They do go incredibly well together. I'm eating my hair. Yeah, in addition to just looking very pretty, like they're all this salmon color, they definitely go well together. The only regret I have about this dish is that all the vinaigrette is sogifying that salmon skin that I beautifully crisped up. After I turn off the camera, I'll probably flip it over so the skin won't get soggy. But yeah, this is delicious. If you live in the Pacific Northwest and you happen to see this video when salmon berries are in season, which is around June and a little bit into July, you should definitely give this a try.
Thank you to my patrons for making this and other videos on this channel possible, especially Britt, Honey Badgers, Megan M, Matthew, Jenny D, Jocelyn, Gina F, Megan B, Data Fox, Gina S, Ruth, Katie, Lonesome Screams, Mihir, Morgan, Beat Vavo, Britta, Veda, Anna, and Aditya.